What's up, guys? My name is Brendan.
I was in a car accident yesterday. So today, we're gonna use that as a teaching opportunity. I'm gonna run you guys through my routine and what I do following a car accident, a body accident, or something that was completely unexpected. Because no matter how smart we train, sometimes things happen. The goal of this routine, figure out if I have any major injuries or if it's exactly how my body feels, not too big damage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a warm-up, nice and slow, swinging my body with low power to see if there's any cricks in the joints. Starting with upper body. Let's move lower. So, my hips feel tight, my lower back feels a little tight, but besides that, my body feels relatively loose. So I'm gonna keep going. And the next step for me is really light kicks. We're gonna carry warm-up energy throughout the whole session. So we're going to do kicks at 30% to 50% power. Don't kick like you're trying to break a target, just kick like you're trying to stretch your leg. So, one thing that happens to the body naturally when it gets hit pretty hard is the joints lock up. And I definitely feel that in my hips right now. So I'm gonna try and take a little bit of extra time, go through a lot more kicks, and yeah, just speed run this for you guys. Definitely feeling tight, but I'll stretch out later. Let's keep going with the session. When you get hit, your awareness takes a hit too. My kinesthetic awareness is probably slightly off right now because of a big smack. So what I'm gonna do is rebuild that with a little bit of rolling around on the ground. And it's starting to rain, so we're gonna keep going. But the goal is to check for spinal health and rebuild the awareness that might have been lost as you got hit. So, I actually feel really good in terms of the spinal health and in terms of my awareness. I don't feel like I got hit that bad, but I definitely feel like something happened. So now that I'm good on awareness, I'm gonna do some flips, but every flip is gonna be supported by my hands. I'm not going to just go YOLO solo doing a double cork right now. I'm gonna test by doing a swing gainer with my hands down and a bunch of cartwheels, and the dog butterfly kick, which is a butterfly kick with your arms. But doing a lot of these will just let me know if the rolls were good. Let's see if the flips are good. But with support of the hands, so that way it's less risky. Dang. So, little revelation from all of those cartwheels. Maybe it was me gripping the steering wheel. Maybe it was the sanding that I've been doing. I did like an 8-hour sanding shift the other day. My forearms and my wrists definitely feel it more than anything, which is honestly a good thing considering the tragedies that can happen from an accident. So, woo-wee. Yeah, thankfully those didn't feel too bad, and we can move up to tricks. But we're gonna do light tricks on both sides at like 50 to 30% power because, ooh-wee, I still feel it. Those feel good. Those feel good. Like I said, a little bit of tight hips, a little bit of sore forearms and wrists. Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. Staying light today. And then I'll scale up next session if I'm still feeling good. I got these toe shoes, and they're really helping my feet grip the ground when I trick, but my toes keep slipping out of the slots. I digress. So, those felt good, but my stamina right now is like, it's probably because my body just had a lot of shock and it's going through light healing. So the stamina ain't there. Not going too hard today, but can do a little bit more than what I did. So I'm gonna keep going a little bit. Ew. Better. Oh, again, my toes slipped out. All right, dark side cheek gainer both sides, and then we will finish up with some just good side tricks to see how, again, this is all a test, and I'm only going further because things feel good, and I'm about to stop the session so that way things, don't go too far. Oh, let's go. That's my dark side. That's my good side. Still working on balancing the cheek gainer. But again, I'm only training at like 50%. All right, I'm gonna take a breather, recover the stamina, and then do some good tricks on my good side, see how good they feel, not going over a single rotation. Ooh. Huh. All right. So, here's the deal. That cork felt amazing. That's the sign to stop. That's the sign to leave yourself wanting more and to begin your cool down. So, let's do that right now. I have been super into rope flow recently, and rope flow is really fun. I need to cool down with something that is ergonomic, dual-sided, and involves a lot of spinal rotation, hip movement, and a lot of foot positioning that doesn't involve impact. So rope flow, ironically, is incredibly good for that and good for my tricking. I'm gonna cool down with some rope flow, and then, tell you guys one or two more things that are really important to me, at least, when thinking about recovery from an accident. I always wanna go fast, and then I go slow. I'm still learning, I'm not perfect yet. And I never really will be. This is just a thing to help me cool down. Not really my main game, but definitely helps my body. And you don't need to do too much. So, a little bit about Brendan lore. I trained a lot of rope dart when I was younger, so doing things like rope flow, I actually pick up really easily, and I really enjoy, and I feel like I'm doing rope dart, but in a more ergonomic, better for my body, less violent way. So, ending this video on a super serious note, I am lucky, beyond lucky, that my body is not more damaged than it is. I feel a little bit sore, I feel a little bit tight, but I'm not broken more than I already was. So I am beyond grateful. I hope this never happens to you. If this does, take your time, be gentle with your body. No judgment, no stress, no worries, just move forward. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share this video if you know of someone who deals with some mess. And yeah, have a beautiful day. I'm gonna go eat a lot of food, stretch, and recover a little bit more, cause got hit, man, things happen. Danke.